It is the DAC6578 10-bit 8-channel I2C digital to analog converter Breakout. It's the DAC6578 Breakout. It's connected over I2C. And then I've just run common ground and each of those analog pins to their own socket there. So I've plugged in patch cables to those. Those are then running up to different channels on this little Eurorack synthesizer. We have this nice smooth sine wave at the top and then a faster one at the bottom. Just the first one, you might be able to see the pitch, the relative pitch going up and down of that note. And the bottom is the envelope. 4 channels of control voltage coming in here, playing 4 different notes, and we have 4 channels of that amplification. It is the DAC6578. It is an 8-channel, 10-bit digital to analog converter Breakout with I2C.